Today I am reviewing the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to home security, the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro sets a new standard for video doorbells. Designed for homeowners who want premium features and reliable performance, this wired doorbell delivers head-to-toe HD plus video, allowing you to see every detail of your front porch with stunning 1536p resolution. From packages on the ground to visitors at the door, nothing goes unnoticed. Its advanced camera ensures that every moment is captured clearly, day or night, giving you peace of mind and full control over your home's safety. The Ring Doorbell Pro doesn't just capture video, it also keeps you connected. With two-way talk with Audio Plus, you can speak to visitors or delivery personnel instantly, whether you're upstairs, at work, or even on vacation. The sound quality is crystal clear, and when paired with select Alexa-enabled devices, you can make announcements or automatically display live video on your Echo Show, Fire TV, or Fire tablet. This seamless integration brings your smart home to the next level, combining convenience with security. One of the most impressive features of the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro is its 3D motion detection. Traditional motion sensors simply detect movement, but Ring's advanced technology can pinpoint motion and even track distance, giving you accurate, real-time alerts. The bird's eye view allows you to map out your property and set motion zones, ensuring you only get notifications for the areas you care about. This means no more unnecessary alerts about passing cars or neighbors walking by. You can customize your settings for precise monitoring and full control of your home's perimeter. For homeowners who subscribe to the Ring Protect plan, there's even more functionality. You gain access to built-in Alexa greetings, an exclusive feature that lets you greet visitors automatically when they press the doorbell. You can also record all your videos and review them for up to 180 days, sharing clips or snapshots whenever needed. This is particularly useful for monitoring package deliveries, unexpected visitors, or simply keeping a log of activity at your front door. Installing the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro is straightforward for anyone with existing doorbell wiring. It uses your current setup to provide continuous power, eliminating the need for constant battery changes. The included toolkit makes hardwiring simple, allowing you to connect your new doorbell to your old chime and get reliable, around-the-clock operation. Once installed, you're ready to enjoy advanced security features without any downtime. The Ring Wired Doorbell Pro also respects your privacy. With customizable privacy settings, you can choose which areas are monitored and who has access to the live feed or video recordings. This flexibility ensures that your home is protected without compromising your personal space. Whether you want to monitor the front yard, driveway, or package drop zones, you can tailor the system to your specific needs. In conclusion, the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro is more than just a doorbell. It's a comprehensive home security solution. With its high-definition video, two-way talk, advanced motion detection, Alexa integration, and robust subscription features, it is designed for homeowners who demand the best-in-class performance. If you're serious about home security and want a doorbell that delivers clarity, convenience, and peace of mind, the Ring Wired Doorbell Pro is an excellent investment. From casual visitors to critical package deliveries, this doorbell ensures you're always in the know and in control of your home.